Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Police Surprise Couple After They Terrorize Shopping Mall and Chaos Erupts by Bodycam Boss.
On April 26, 2024, officers responded to a call of a couple threatening people in a shopping mall.
Come here, please. We're in the Sunoco and they're ignoring my commands to stop. Come here, please.
No.
What do you mean, no?
No.
Please do not talk to them right now. I need to deal with them.
Oh, then let's go.
Okay. You're not leaving. I need
You're
to...
touching me. You're touching me. That's assault. That's
It's not assault.
It's assault. It's assault. You're touching me. You put your hands on me.
Whiskey Ford, come over here. They're refusing to stay where I'm at and
I don't got
obeying
to.
commands.
It's called cook proper.
No,
Yep. Stupid.
I can follow you all day.
Okay, that's your job.
Yep, it
You get paid
is.
by the hour, right?
It's a waste of
That's
time.
right.
You want to take care of a long ass walk.
Are we?
Yep.
Y'all threatened to shoot the...
No, it's y'all.
Security?
We didn't do anything. We didn't do
No,
anything.
I'm talking to them at all. If you want to know information, go talk
Ask
to
them.
them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
So, you need to do your job better.
Not y'all causing havoc and y'all don't even got a car to drive off in. Damn, that's not good at all. Shit, you need to get your priorities together. And once you got a face mask on or whatever it's
You
on.
want to add to the lawsuit?
You what?
I already got a lawsuit against y'all. Keep acting.
Oh, do you? Cool. Not against
You got a lawsuit, but you ain't got a car.
me, you don't.
Against the police department, though.
Hey, don't call me. We don't talk.
Somebody to verify a crime as well.
You need a verification?
They're running westbound towards the interstate. I appreciate you.
She got a long ass walk back to her vehicle.
I ain't verified a crime yet, so there's my problem.
I'm the director at the mall. I'm the director at the mall. And
You are. Come with me then. Hey,
there is assault. He said that he was gonna security officer and the housekeeper, and there was no apparent reason why. He said he would.
Can't do that with a man.
Come on, man. Take it slow. Right here. You'll be all right. Here. Come in. Get the left one, man. I'll take too long. Here. Here, man. Here. Here. Just stop.
I ain't never heard somebody rush to get a haircut put on them. That's crazy work.
Resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm helping your stupid ass out. You want to roll onto your stomach. All right. Say please. Roll on your stomach. If you move, I want to hit you in the neck, dog.
He said,
Roll
say
under
please.
your stomach, it's going to be dog bit. You understand me? Hey, if I call 911, you're going to pop up, right? Roll onto your stomach. I see your face. Okay, I see your face. Roll onto your stomach. It don't matter. I can pop up anytime. You got to roll. 20 people. How about rolling? Stop trying to force you up. Roll. Roll onto your stomach. I am. If you get down, stop trying to break my arm, I ain't going to do shit. If you stop resisting. I'd rather y'all break my shit and motherfuckers. Why are you on your back? Because y'all ain't being nice. Hey, get the fuck off me. Don't such shit. All right, here.
A taser right in the kidney gonna stop all that. A little
Hey, bro, don't grab my
buzz.
I am. I'm the.
I know he itching.
All right. You're going to roll onto your stomach. What's the problem? What I'm being detained for? What I've been arrested for? You're being detained for an investigation. What investigation? Something that happened.
Hey, old buddy got his whole armpit and gut on this top of his head.
Paul, I don't have to explain myself further. Where I'm at? I'm on at the mall? Nope. So this is public property, right? I'm not going to explain further. Where your body cam at? I'm not going to explain any further. Oh, that's it right there.
Dude, turn the fuck over. Just get handcuffed.
Roll on your stomach. Telling me to tell the fuck. Look, I'd rather listen to you than these motherfuckers. You keep roll onto your stomach. I am. For you? You want me to roll over? You don't want to be nice. Why tell me to ask you? Hell no. Several times. Roll onto your stomach. You asked me. Okay, here you go. You roll onto your stomach. You said you asked, so I am. Tell him let go my arm. I can't go. Roll onto your right onto your stomach.
I'm just confused on why y'all threatening people and y'all don't even got a getaway car. Uber, a Lyft, or nothing. Y'all on foot. That's the easiest. Never mind. I mean, granted, I know people fall on hard times. And you gotta do what you gotta do, but this the last thing you need to be doing. You need to get you some wheels first.
Here you go. Here you go.
What if he just fought? Oh, they got all their hands right there. Cause I'll be forward when I'm uncomfortable. I would have been letting some shit out.
Why? Can I go girls? I mean, off the girl? Maybe no, never mind. Leave me alone.
He got to be on something.
Go back to business. You jackass.
What's his name?
You too.
You have a free seat. So, I do, but my fucking car's
that motherfucker there. That motherfucker there. You. Start with you. We gonna have a conversation.
We'll talk about it in a minute.
Hey, you're a civilian?
I'm going to tell you one time, do not stand up.
Hey, is he a civilian?
Do not stand up.
Is he a civilian?
I don't know who you're talking about.
The white shirt.
I have no idea who he is.
Okay. Get you one cent.
I ain't about this shit.
Go get you 1 cent.
Yeah.
Why? Why?
Well, you resisted for about 5 minutes,
I didn't
so...
resist it. Y'all had me pinned. I told I would help you.
No.
Yes, I
That's
did.
not how this works.
Yes, it is. Y'all ain't telling me shit. Y'all
Yes, I said you're detained. You pulled away.
I pulled away. I
Hands
was
on your
your
back. You pulled away.
I had them in Sunoco,
No.
and I was telling them to stop, and they
Public
shoved
place.
the door
I
open
said,
on my
please stop.
arm.
He said, no.
Yeah, because y'all got no reason to touch me. So the fact that you touched me.
You cannot determine that.
She look like she about to retire.
Yes, I can.
No.
I'm a citizen.
Nope.
That's my First Amendment.
That is
So you
incorrect.
violated my First Amendment, my Fifth Amendment.
It's so funny
Nope.
how people think these are-
I do.
Shut up! You're
I
just
do.
making
Look
a
at my
fool
record,
of
fool.
yourself.
Look at my record, fool.
Why? You been arrested?
Yeah.
Then you should know
So guess
better.
what? I know a lawyer. Real good. Fool. Yeah, it's how pride hurts.
The guy that was in the family restroom come out and basically told me to mind my own business. Okay. So, you know, I'm like, no, this is my business. I work here. I'm security. Yeah. But after I got her to do the tag for the restroom for the lady. Yeah. He comes out of the door. Both of them came out of the girl and the guy. Okay. Yeah, he comes out of the family restroom, and she came out of the nursery. And that's when he said to her and to me that both of us would get popped.
Get popped. Did he make any gestures like toward his?
No, he did not.
He was pointing his finger.
Yeah.
Everybody. Okay. Because Officer Holcomb was telling me sometimes he was reaching toward his pants and reaching toward his bag.
Right.
Okay.
He at that time he was not.
Yeah, this was after he went in the common area outside of the restrooms. He made motions to go towards his bag or his waistline. He did it all around South Penny's as they walked off site.
Okay.
They were on the golf cart and he kept making like a motion.
Further movement. Okay. And she was saying, Officer Holcomb was saying they've been here and done this before.
So I was here one day. Carlisle came out. They came to our security door because a scooter they apparently rode got an overnight parking citation on it, and they were going to come here and us up. They came banging on the door. We followed them through the mall. They went out the east side of UF, and Carlisle got them out there on 62nd. Carlisle comes to me and says,
"Is that by the bus stop?"
I'm just up from it, south of it.
Yeah.
He said, there's nothing I can do, yada, yada. And then I said, I mean, they clearly assaulted us.
Yeah.
They did it throughout the whole mall to the point the mall office locked the office down because
Damn.
they went in there being violent.
Okay.
So when the mall manager called me during all this partaking on the radio, I told her I'm aware it is the same too that we had to lock the mall office down and all. And she goes, we 100% need them trespass. They keep coming back.
Have they been
gun
trespassed?
violence. No.
So what's your guys' rules? Can we trespass them in the entire mall?
5 years.
The whole mall?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, what is your question?
What's going on today?
What?
What's going on today?
So,
What the fuck you mean? You know what's going on.
you can readily understand English. Am I correct in this? You spoke English your whole life, right?
In Spanish, correct? Yes, sir.
Okay.
Both languages.
Do you understand the rights I read to you earlier?
Yes,
Not that you understand the situation, because I haven't
wasn't trying to
explained
be
most of that.
funny because I didn't do anything. I'm really like confused.
Right.
I work at the mall. I work at. Go ahead.
Let me explain it to you, but I need that clear to you before I explain it to you, because you're gonna ask questions and I'm gonna ask questions. We're gonna go back and
That's
forth,
fine.
and
Yes, sir.
I need everything to be clear. So, a situation happened at the mall. Pretty much as part of our investigation, we have the right to detain people who are part of that. So, when the officer comes up to you and says stop, and you walk away, you walk in the Sunoco, you walk out of the Sunoco, you keep walking down the street, that gives us probable cause to arrest you for resisting without violence. When you're given a lawful order to stop, you have to stop. What?
No, I didn't know that, but now I know.
Okay, you don't. No one's ever told you if a police officer tells you to stop, you have to stop.
If you're not guilty, no.
So you just get to determine that you didn't commit a crime.
Exactly. Like, what the fuck? What do you mean if you're not guilty?
No, sir.
So how do you explain this to me? How do we investigate a crime if anybody can just walk away at any particular point? Exactly. So we have to be able to detain someone to do that, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to be able to physically force them to stop. Now, as I read your rights to you, you don't have to talk to us, but we have to be able to identify you, have witnesses identify you, and conduct an investigation in relative calm, which doesn't really work if you're walking away and not following commands to do so. Okay, so you understand all of it. Okay. So, basically, at any point, did anyone say anything about a gun inside the mall?
Neither one of us, no.
So someone else said something about a gun.
Yeah, but that's what I was like. He literally like this. Okay, I'm not laughing at you. This is like really pathetic. I work in the mall, so this is the second time that dude, the tall dude, the man.
You work in the mall, but you had a face covering on. All right.
The owner. So he had an issue with, like, they don't even know who we are. That's why I was like, that's kind of stupid. So my parents are
Why would he have an issue with you?
Because of him. I didn't do anything.
So you're just sitting there and he just comes up
like
to
if you look at the video, I promise you, I'm sitting in the nursing room. I'm waiting on my best friend. I have to go to work. I'm not. So he's like pulling on the door. So I text him like, "Yo, I'm changing. You see all these clothes? I'm changing my clothes so I can go to work. I have to ride a bike to go to Hotel Indigo. I work at Hotel Indigo. As matter of fact, you can see my badge. The badge is in there. So I'm like, I'm walking out. They're like, so we left like they instructed. So he likes to play games or whatever. But when they said leave, we left. That's why you see us crashing the street. We go there every day. Like we don't bother anyone.
Were you guys wearing masks when you were wandering around in the mall?
We wear a mask every day. But
wow.
Not in the mall, no.
Okay. So
I wear it when I came outside. She seen me pull it up.
All right. So no one, you two didn't mention a gun, but someone else did.
Yeah, the dude that works there.
When did he say that?
He said that in the mall. When we were in the mall. So when he was following us, he was like, "Oh, if you don't leave, we'll call the police or I'll shoot you." What? Why would you shoot us if we're walking away? That's why they did all that scene. This is the second time this happened.
But that doesn't make any sense. Like, why would they
it don't make sense at all. I ain't gonna cap to you.
do that to you?
Because
for no reason.
He wants to play it. He doesn't know who I am. He's sort of, I don't know who that. You know exactly who we are.
Okay, but why you? Like,
Because
does he not like you?
He doesn't.
Like, why would he just single you two out of nothing?
He's not gonna tell you this. So when I was with my homegirl, which is one of his people's daughter, he was trying
I still don't know what the fuck is going on.
to talk to me. So you felt some type of way because he said something to you about trying to holler at his wife, his fiance. So you're mad because I don't want to talk to you.
Oh.
That's not a place. This is a place of business. I work there. That's what I was like. I help my friend at the kiosk. One, she sews hats. We sit there. He sees me all the time. So I was like, the fact that you blew this out. I left just when you said leave. We left. So.
All right.
And then she told me that when she was out there, put your hands behind your back. Yes, ma'am. Put my hands. Stop moving.
You were fine.
That's
over
all I
here.
didn't
He's
do
got
anything.
a bunch of problems from that one. All right. So, how old are you?
I'm 26.
26. All right. Hang out for a second for me.
All right, thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.